Greetings everyone, Chef Adam here in the kitchen. It's smoothie time. Smoothies, everybody likes smoothie. This is going to be the Berry Max smoothie because there's a lot of berries in it. So whether they're blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, acai berries, is antioxidants. And so antioxidants are the color in your foods. So eating extremely colorful foods guarantees you get a variety of antioxidants in your diet. And why are antioxidants important? Because they counteract oxidation. Oxidation is like rust in the body, and it causes deterioration, causes inflammation. You can't escape oxidation, it's a part of life, but you can reduce it, and you can reduce it with antioxidant. So here we go with this Berry Max smoothie. We have a half cup of blueberries, frozen blueberries. You can do fresh. A lot of folks like their smoothies nice and thick, so when you use the frozen fruit, you get a thicker smoothie. We got some frozen strawberries. I highly recommend using organic produce when possible. Strawberries, especially, foods with the highest pesticide residue on them. Strawberries, each year, strawberries and apples kind of switch places on the top 12 as the #1 food with pesticide residue. So organic strawberries, if you can. Now the liquid that we're going to use in this smoothie is coconut water, which is actually a really hydrating and mineral-rich liquid you can use. Very popular these days. If you can get the fresh young Thai coconut and crack it open, that's great, but you can get a variety of coconut waters at your grocery store. And here we go, we're gonna use a half cup of coconut water. And last but not least, acai is a berry from South America, loaded with antioxidants. It's also got some healthy fats in it. It's low in sugar, it's got protein. It's just an all-around superfood that has grown in popularity. The flavor, this is an unsweetened variety, and there's a bunch of acai brands out there. I prefer the unsweetened variety. You add that to a smoothie with bananas and other flavorful fruits, and it supercharges it. So here we go, we just kind of cut into the pack and drop it in there. Now acai is loaded with antioxidants and will stain your fingers and all kinds of stuff, but it just washes off, so you don't have to worry about that too much. Okay, the blender is loaded and ready. We put the hat on and we blast off. I think everything's blended. Let's take a look. Looks good. Okay, no chunkies. We're ready to go. So now we just put it in a glass and drink it up. That easy. All right, thanks for joining us. Keep it live. Cheer.